Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss a question on continuity of a function. So let's say there is a function prove that if f of x is under root of x minus 4 for the interval 4 to 10, then f of x is continuous in the interval. So this is a question for a certain interval for which this function is defined. Now, we know when it is about a closed interval. Obviously, this is about a closed interval. So when this is about a closed interval, we need to check at three instants. The first one is the right hand limit at the lower value, that is 4. So we'll check for the limit at, I'm just writing limit at x tends to 4 plus, that is the right hand limit at the left hand, and limit at left hand limit for the end point, that is the last point at 10. Apart from that, we need to check if this function is continuous within in the sense 4 to 10, that is open interval. So it is 4x and 10. So we need to check this at 3 points, and if it is continuous at all these points, or if the limit exists at all these points, then we can say that this function is continuous. So let's start with the first one. We'll check the right hand limit at x is equal to 4. We can also apply one property here, and that says the limit of x minus 4 for whatever value can be taken as under root of limit of x minus 4. That is, whatever limit we are taking for the under root of this function, we can take the under root of the limit here, right? So we'll apply that property. We have seen these properties here in the theory part. So that says that limit x minus 4 for x tends to 4 plus. So 4 plus means it is greater than and around 4, which makes it very small and positive value. So you can say it is very small as 0. So this will become 0. And also the function value at 4 will be, you can say 4 minus 4 under root will also be 0. This says that the function has the function value and the right hand limit being same. These two values are same. So this check for right hand limit is fine. We are okay with that. And the next term is, let's say we check at the end point. So right hand limit at x is equal to 10. In that case, again, this will be x minus 4 for x tends to 10 minus. So this is going to be something very around this 10 and less than 10. In that case, this is going to be 10 minus 4, and that will be under root of 6. Under root of 6, right? And also we can check that the function value at 10 will also be 10 minus 4, so that is under root of 6. So we can see that the left hand limit at x is equal to 10 and the function value at 10 are all same. So this check is also fine. Now we have to check the third point, and we can do it here itself. Next concern is the interval 4, 10. Now we have to understand that this function, let's say this function is, if we have mentioned f of x there, so let's mention g of x. Let's say this g of x is x minus 4. Now we can see this is a polynomial first order equation, and we know that a polynomial equation is continuous at every point, or continuous and differentiable at every point. So although this function is defined piecewise, or it is defined in the certain interval, so this function is defined in certain interval, even then for this interval 4 to 10 this function is going to be continuous. And once g of x is continuous, under root of g of x, which is f of x, will also be continuous. So we have checked for the right hand limit at 4, left hand limit at 10, and the interval also. So we can overall say that this function is continuous in the closed interval 4 to 10. Right? All checks have been done. So this function is continuous.